experience participating in green exercise? If your answer is no, let's find out. Let's go! Whew! Grabe na ang pagod. Rest na tayo mga few minutes. And let's proceed to full squat for 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, go! And let's do push-ups. Grabe. That was a tiring exercise. But now I will ask you one question. Do you now understand what is green exercise? Green exercise means it is an exercise done in the presence of nature. Green exercise can be done in a parks, in a tree, in the mountains. You can do biking, cycling, for as long as you are not contaminated in a room or a facility or a gymnasium. Wherein, in green exercise, you go outside, you go in the presence with nature, and enjoy and feel the therapeutic effect of exercising within the presence of nature. I hope I give you knowledge today. And for more episodes, just click the like button, follow, and share my vlog. That's all. Thank you.